Hello, hello! Today I want to give you my review and a couple of close-ups of this Craftsman circular saw. My 20-year-old or probably even 30-year-old skill saw just died. All I saw is the smoke. So now it was time to get something new. I went to Lowe's and this baby was on sale from 60 to 35 bucks. So I just couldn't resist. I grabbed it. So for 35 bucks you get a saw, instruction, and a pretty good blade. If you want to go to Home Depot, even Harbor Freight, all you get is the saw, no blade, for probably 40-50 bucks. So I consider this to be a really great deal. The handle is nice and good quality plastic. As we all know, Craftsman makes really good stuff. So it comes with Allen wrench for installing the blade onto a saw. To install the blade, we have a locking mechanism. So you push it right here and this will lock this mechanism, and now we can open. Now we put this back where it belongs, put the screw, again hold this release thing, tighten. Super easy. I love Craftsman. Hey, and we're done. Installation is a breeze. Now what we have is this guard, which is plastic, works great. We can also change the angle up to 45 degrees. So we have another locking screw over here, and then we can change the angle up to 45 degrees. Okay, I want to go to 0, and we have a little scale so we can actually see how many degrees we want to go. So right now I'm gonna lock at 0, and we should also be able to adjust the depth. So we have another level right here. Now we can lock it, we can unlock it, moving it up, and now we can set our depth. So I'm just gonna go probably all the way because I'm cutting really thick board, and now all you have to do is just close it. Everything's super easy, and your Allen wrench key goes right here. So it's handy, you will never lose it. So this saw is 13 amp. It uses 7.25 blade, and we can go up to 45 degrees. It has nice convenient grip. It doesn't have that safety feature that I had on my old saw, but that's okay. Let's see how it cuts. So with this saw I was able to cut this piece of wood like I was cutting the butter. For 35 bucks, Craftsman, you can't go wrong. Highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.